Welcome to East's 139th Canton Fair vlog. Let's check out our two amazing booths. Hall 14.2 features energy storage and EV charging solutions. Hall 15.3 displays our reliable UPS products. And guess what? Wow! Our Star C&I energy storage system is even reported by CCTV 13 live on site. Its intelligent energy management is super impressive and draws countless visitors here. Global buyers keep flowing into both booths all day. Ask about product details, applications, and cooperation. We've received lots of great feedback from worldwide partners. Keep explaining the advantages of our products, technologies, and solutions to visitors who visit our booth. What a wonderful and fruitful day. We gained so much recognition and new connections from both booths. Huge thanks to our hardworking team and all dear partners. We will keep innovating and partner with you every step of the way toward a greener energy future.